Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add the WordPress application plugin, which you can install within seconds, and then I'll also be able to show you 28 other applications that you can use within your hosting account. So I've brought you over to the goodwebbusiness.net, and if we scroll down and click this link here, that will then take you over to the hosting account. Click View Demo, and then this will bring you into the control panel. If you look under Installer, Application Installer, click that, and if you scroll down you'll see all the different plugins you can add to your hosting account. And obviously if you want to install WordPress, you just click Install, but also if you scroll a bit further down and click on Blogs, you can then have a look at the demo. So if we click here, this will then show you the demo, and you can actually have a look at that. It explains everything about it. And then if you want to install it, you would just click here, and then because we're in the demo, obviously these are demonstration domains, but in your own hosting account you would see your domain. It's WordPress we're putting in, and all these details will be set out for you. Add an admin user, add the admin password, leave most of this as it is, and then click Install WordPress, and this will install straight onto your hosting account. And like I say, there's lots to look at, so you can click on any of these and you can have a look. And then, like I say, again, you can click on any of these. So if you, let's say for instance you want to see Content Manager, then there's all these different ones you can actually look at. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.